newly passed provincial legislation holds landlords criminally responsible if there's illegal drug activity on their property. Now, landlord could mean people who own a club, a concert venue, a private home, or supportive housing organizations.
It's part of a larger group of bills introduced by the government intended to promote community safety. And to summarize, we could just take a look at what the minister had to say when he introduced the bill. He said we're going to hold landlords accountable for knowingly permitting the manufacture or sale of illicit drugs in the premises that they rent. The way the law works, it's worth going right to the legislation to understand it. There's
Yeah.
the provision that they focus on says no person shall knowingly permit a premises of which the person is a landlord to be used in relation to prescribed offense. In this case, those prescribed offenses will be, when the regulation is introduced, the production or trafficking of drugs. And they go on to give a defense, and the defense is um, if the defendants or if the landlord took reasonable measures to prevent that activity, then they're not liable. The liability is important. It's fines, and it can extend to the directors and officers of the organization. And what's left really not clear in the legislation is what those reasonable measures are intended to be. So that it's difficult for a
Mm.
director or a landlord to know what investments they need to make or what they need to do in order to take advantage of that defense.